In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drag formula in Google Sheets. If you've ever entered a formula once and wanted to use that same calculation for the rest of a column, this is a simple skill that can save you a lot of time. Instead of retyping the formula again and again, Google Sheets lets you drag it down so it automatically applies to other cells. To get started, open Google Sheets and go to the spreadsheet where you want to work. Once you're inside the sheet, click on the cell where you want your first formula to go. This should be the first cell in the series where you want the calculation to begin. Next, type your formula into that cell. For example, if you want to add the values in columns A and B for row 2, you can enter equals A2 plus B2. Make sure you begin with the equals sign, since that tells Google Sheets you're entering a formula and not just regular text. After typing the formula, press Enter on your keyboard. Google Sheets will calculate the result and display it in that cell. At this point, the formula is in place and ready to be reused. Now click the cell that contains the formula you just entered. You need to select it again so you can access the fill handle. This is the small blue square located in the bottom right corner of the selected cell. It can be easy to miss at first, so look closely. Move your cursor over that small blue square. When your cursor changes into a plus sign, that means Google Sheets is ready for you to drag the formula. Click and hold, then drag downward across the cells where you want the formula to be copied. As you drag, Google Sheets will fill the formula into the cells below. The helpful part is that the cell references adjust automatically. So if your first formula is equals A2 plus B2, the next row will become equals A3 plus B3, then equals A4 plus B4, and so on. This makes it perfect for repeated calculations across rows of data. Take your time while dragging so you stop exactly where you want the formula to end. Once you release your mouse, the selected range will be filled with the updated formulas. That's all there is to it. Dragging formulas in Google Sheets is one of the fastest ways to work more efficiently, especially when you're handling long lists, totals, or repeated calculations. Once you get used to using that small blue square, it becomes a very natural part of working in spreadsheets.